I'm not so now say me a short cacao. We only meet come on. The child PRB.
I would say that this is one of the worst games that Eric Ten Hag are managing from the touchline. Yeah.
Prane had drink cacana.
What the planet to Chankasa or ye changes be within 60th minute walk on a hard team no.
Oh, okay.
And a man game the Dane. And where Sevilla was actually building their game from, no, they're very difficult to stop them looking at the quality and what that particular side. Sevilla, when you say Jadon Sancho ni Malathia, they are very weak. Come on, the ball on the far on behind Manchester. Because when you say one Bissaka on it,
oh, they have fair. I'm Bissaka, they see me train on Vinicius Junior.
Bulta. Oh, one Bissaka was so horrible. Just a tackle be unfound. And one Bissaka Nankasa was supported by Anthony. This Anthony growing to Manchester United game, and I would say, after the Everton game, no, Anthony has had Manchester United one of the best games this particular season. Come fast to track it back, come fast to aggressive, and now 1v1 situations. Anthony had struggles with or being 1v1 situations, but Abu Dhabi, and Anthony was taking on men in this particular game, so you could feel that side it was sorted. Plus Rafael Varane. After the first half, no Crampo Harry Maguire, able replace Rafael Varane with injury. No, Abu Dhabi, you bear witness. He said that position was secured, but Sancho and Malathia area no, and we changes no, Jesus Navas beto, and across no, you know how much experience Jesus Navas is. Or ball cross never says ah, Emubako, and the train we say branch of Malathia and Timian control, and Abu Dhabi in a long run no, Ebutiano. Abrantia, your friend Jesus Navas ball shot in the ball. David here a net. So you feel 2 own goals, it means the setup within the team Nankasa no man team is quiet. Now also change the obi replace Sancho no. I know the langa mumbe shell.
And also I'm fan pass Pabiama. But I seem say Antonio Masha say or your feet are born on ehupa.
The Eric Ten Hag can ask him say Anthony Martial Nankasa, so a fit Manchester United doesn't struggle, and it is true. Games Anthony Martial I fit the Manchester United. Now look at how link here play or drop it back, and nobody is technically better than Anthony Martial. Abu within the Manchester United setup Nankasa, no single player and technically way better than Anthony Martial.
Eddie more for no.
Yes, no, even Manchester United team beyond one more technically better than Anthony Martial. Yes,
Rashford Mokrama.
No. Ya cut technicality pass will be far more than nano. Eddie so be boyfriend nano. Yentre. No one is better than Anthony Martial.
But Prana ne hard.
But Prana, I know no so attitude problem kakra.
Oh okay.
Who the Prana to nchenya? Ono no time wo mood nim no bobo.
Down on the peso you.
Down on the peso no mood. You could feel say the body language cratchere. Otimi bo game beyond. Oben nante sa no wajeje dem no e de office ope. But don't when the mood muso be boni game pass or be any day pass or be bon Abu Dhabi. Then panyai. But akwa we go na metena se na me dwen wa menti ase. These people they carry something Abu Dhabi Eddie. You ohun ye. Hwe go akose na World Cup.
You see Fernandes.
You see there is something strange about how they deal any day almost to your money won't ase. And they are also in their holy month. Over game ni Miheni I thought say he's one player on any babe than game ni dia momo. So I head and the pana somebody me push am yakwa chikaka. Ball na nka connect nim kra.
Baby o the ball.
Baby o pin ball no. O de kan mesanya sa Yusuf Ernest go na maya. Na Abu Dhabi hwade bi kakra bi.
And uncle pim obi azo kokko pim Harry Maguire. Na moye ya but
ball no na ball ne kwan. Ball na kasa hwedi da ball ne kwan.
Ball na call the other side. Minim zena.
Omu twa the side ne ba, replay the side ne ba, obo baby ala ball e ko. Ball na ekwan Abu.
Oh no head there to see.
Ball na kebe ko go kick straight.
Yeah, baby ana na mo.
Ball na kebe ko go kick straight. Be ko ball Harry Maguire ana ball ko turn it. And this is some of the things that they do that has made us very happy. Say these things will happen, but you see, me who man for complaining at Ten Hag na game where you see, can you Ten Hag come Manchester United when you did so bit my Europa League quarter final?
Anya Ten Hag na United
no single United supporter can convince me so no GDS team ni betima quarter final. No. Especially from the part that Real Sociedad share Manchester United first leg. Then over the FC Barcelona game na ended 2-2 first leg, you know. Second leg almost have share first goal. Then you move on from that particular team to Real Betis. Abu wa can create me pass season be share say now ya West Manchester be pray for top 4.
O me na mu say den.
Now ya West Manchester United banana come the trophy back.
David.
Now ya West Manchester United ka banana FA Cup mo ko semi final.
No.
Europa League now GDA club so beti ba Pedro Sabri.
Oh David.
That is it. And this goes a long way as to say coaches are not humans. Coaches are humans. On make mistakes. Nyoma be for Musa se kakra babu diabi on reality grounds. I believe say Enwa was one of the days that Ten Hag had a bad day in terms of the changes and some players. But Ublemuni Bebra Abu Dhabi, let's look at how the second leg will actually go. Bruno Fernandes be see the second leg. But me 2 years past this is one particular team on betima kwa kuyi Sevilla free.
O the Man United kwa kuyi Sevilla.
Manchester United ba kuyi Sevilla.
Awia Zabia dia onimze Europa de obu ohun bi
Manchester United ba kuyi Sevilla free.
I expect niam bi tizeze. Because the kono kra mo kono prepare no doso.
Manchester United ba kuyi Sevilla. It will shock you. Manchester United ba kuyi Sevilla. Say I say before Barcelona game it na bi ka bi.
Esido Ramon Sanchez Pizjuan.
On say there are some games your games be one man you fully confident with it, and there are some games be one man you fully confident with it. So no man anti pa. If I'm not confident with a certain game, I only say me the nyoma bi tare ho kakra. And no steady din here I make say me after say I said Manchester United will win at home say Manchester United in share Sevilla.
Yeah.
So we kaya. Because Manchester United in share Sevilla. No must struggle prayer o mutin show mo. And then na hwebe bia goals no kofa fa buy no nyoma ebusi man ye tutu. Manchester United back qualify with Sevilla.